Understanding Bark Grafting, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: bark grafting. This technique is not just a gardening term but a wonderful example of how specific English phrases can be tied to particular skills or professions. So, let's explore bark grafting together. Bark grafting is a horticultural technique used to join two plants so they grow as one. It involves attaching a scion, or a piece of a plant with desirable traits, to a rootstock, or a plant with a strong root system. The key here is the bark of the rootstock. The scion is inserted between the bark and the wood of the rootstock, allowing the two plants to fuse over time. Why do gardeners use bark grafting? It's a way to combine the best qualities of two different plants. For example, a gardener might graft a scion from a tree with delicious fruit onto a rootstock that's resistant to disease. This technique is especially important in fruit tree cultivation. Let's break down the process. 1. Selecting the scion and rootstock. Choose compatible plants. 2. Preparing the rootstock. Make a careful cut in the bark. 3. Inserting the scion. Place the scion between the bark and wood of the rootstock. 4. Securing the graft. Use grafting tape or a similar material to hold the scion in place. 5. Aftercare. Ensure the graft site stays healthy for successful growth. Bark grafting isn't always easy. It requires precision and knowledge about plant compatibility. The timing of the graft, the condition of the plants, and the care after grafting all play crucial roles in the success of the process. We hope this video has shed light on the fascinating world of bark grafting. It's a brilliant example of how specific terms in English can open up a whole new world of knowledge and skills. Happy gardening and language learning!